Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing the message listing not approved on Facebook Marketplace? This usually means your item is under review or didn't meet Marketplace commerce policies, but in many cases it can be fixed. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix listing not approved on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why listing not approved happens? So common reasons include prohibited or restricted items, misleading title or description, branded or counterfeits products concerns, regulated items like medical supplement tickets, duplicate listing, okay, suspicious wording or claims. So Facebook uses automated detection plus manual review, okay. So first thing first, go to Marketplace here. Tap your listings, okay, so you have to have some listings. Open the rejected listing and tap the notification. Read the reason carefully. You know, the exact reason determines your fix. So tap edit listing, fix the issue mentioned, okay, so remove restricted keywords, adjust category if needed, keep title clear and simple, okay, avoid exaggerated claims, so use original product pictures, okay, and then save and resubmit. If the item itself is not allowed, do not repost the same product. Check Marketplace commerce policies and choose compliance products, okay? So some items are permanently prohibited. You cannot share them on the internet or especially on Marketplace, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.